Okay, so this is an alternative way that you can secure your umbilical lines in your micro preemies, 22, 23 years, where you don't need to put anything on the skin. So once you've secured both of your lines as you normally would, you're gonna take off your gloves and grab this 3M wide transport tape. You're gonna take one piece per each line. You wanna put the line down the center of the tape and then fold over each side over the line, okay? You wanna make sure that you do one separate for each line because most likely you'll remove the lines at different times. So same thing here, line down the middle, fold over, leaving a border at each side, okay? Once your tape is on, go ahead and get sterile again. So put your gloves back on. And then you're gonna need one suture for each line here. So you're gonna go ahead and take a bite through the jelly just like you normally would to secure your lines. The difference here is you're not gonna cut off your needle because you need this to go through the tape. So let that drop on your sterile field. And then you're gonna secure this as you normally would. So if you do, you know, a double knot and then 4 singles or whatever you normally would do here. So secure this here. Leave this tail long because you're gonna need to get back to it. Okay, then you're gonna go grab your needle again, and you're gonna go through the tape in and out, okay, and pull your suture through. This is just gonna give you another anchor sort of back to that jelly. The key is you wanna make sure you don't go through your line as you're going in and out here, okay? Then you're gonna go over kind of across the line here, in and out. Okay, normally your baby's hand wouldn't be in the way. There we go. And then you're gonna do one more bite in and out here. And then once you're done here, you can cut the needle off. And then you're gonna secure this back to the original tail that you started with. So you can see here's your original tail from your bite, and the same thing you're gonna do, you know, your double back, and then a bunch of singles just to secure this back through. Okay, and then you just keep doing that, and then once you're done and you've secured it back, you're gonna clip that off, and then you have your lines here. You'll do the same on the other side. Nothing needs to go on the skin. Once you're done, clean all of your prep off the skin.